So this is the landing page that you'll see on the ACLED website. When you go to the data tab at the top here, you'll see conflict exposure. This is where you can get all the information that you need about what this variable is, how it was calculated, and how to access it. So you'll see here all of the information that you need. And when you scroll down, you have the conflict exposure calculator. So say you are trying to do some analysis and you want a quick answer to how the exposed populations differ by province or by admin one within a country. You can go through these simple prompts here. So for example, here we're interested in the admin one level. So we want to compare provinces. We want to see all the different admin ones. We can select the country that we're interested in. So for example, Myanmar. We can select all of the admins because we want to see how the exposed population is impacted across the board. And we can leave the default time setting just to the last year, but you could also extend this all the way back to 2020 if you'd like. So here you see a quick rundown of all the exposed populations for each admin within Myanmar in the last year. And you can sort this table as well. So for example, you can sort from largest to smallest. You can then quickly see which admins have the largest number of exposed population, and then also how many events are we seeing there as well. So that gives you an additional sense of whether or not these are incidents of repeated exposure or one-off events. So for example, in Yangon Admin 1, you have a large number of people exposed to the conflict, but a relatively small number of total events. Whereas in this province here, you have, again, a large number of people impacted and a large number of total events as well. The other elements of the calculator that you can use include filtering down by event type, for example. So you can select a specific country and perhaps you're interested in battles or explosions or remote violence, and you can see the number of exposed people to those types of events specifically. You can also filter by the actor as well. So say you're interested in events that involve political militias in an area, how many people are exposed to those types of events, or even specific actors as well. You can see how many people were exposed to events that involved the Islamic State, for example.